What if I told you some of the foods you eat every day are quietly speeding up aging, damaging your brain, and weakening your bones? And it's not just sugar we're talking about. If you're over 50, keep watching, because this could change everything about how you eat. Today, I'm diving into the essential foods seniors should avoid. Foods that may seem harmless, but are linked to inflammation, memory loss, heart issues, and fatigue. The best part, you don't need a fancy diet. Just knowing what to cut out can help you feel sharper, stronger, and more alive. Let's break it down. Bacon, sausages, deli ham, you've seen them in every fridge. But here's the issue. Processed meats are packed with nitrates and preservatives. These chemicals increase your risk of heart disease, colon cancer, and high blood pressure. For seniors, this is especially dangerous. Your body can't detox as fast anymore. Ask yourself, is that slice of bacon really worth the inflammation? Swap it. Try grilled chicken, boiled eggs, or lentil-based proteins instead. Canola, soybean, corn oil. They're sold as heart healthy, but dig deeper. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which trigger chronic inflammation. And inflammation is behind arthritis, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. If you're frying your meals in these oils, you're adding fuel to the fire. Better options? Extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil, less processed, more nourishing. 0 calories doesn't mean 0 damage. Studies now show that artificial sweeteners like aspartame are linked to memory loss and brain fog in older adults. They trick your brain, confuse your metabolism, and increase your sugar cravings. Think you're doing your body a favor by skipping sugar? Not with diet soda. What to drink instead? Try lemon-infused water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. White bread, instant noodles, crackers. They spike your blood sugar, then crash it, leaving you tired, foggy, and irritable. For seniors, this roller coaster affects balance, focus, and even mood. Whole grains? Still not the best. Better choices: sweet potatoes, steel-cut oats, quinoa, foods with natural fiber and steady energy. Remember when margarine was marketed as healthier than butter? Turns out many brands are full of trans fats, the worst kind of fat for your arteries and brain. Trans fats raise bad cholesterol, lower the good kind, and increase your risk of stroke. Choose real fats instead. Grass-fed butter, ghee, olive oil spreads. Your brain and heart will thank you. Let's recap the top foods to cut out: processed meats, vegetable oils, diet sodas, refined carbs, margarine. These foods may be cheap and convenient, but the long-term cost on your health is too high. Now you know what to avoid. The next step is knowing what to eat more of. So hit that subscribe button, because in my next video, I'll show you the best anti-aging foods to boost your energy and brain health naturally. Drop a comment. Which of these foods surprised you the most? And don't forget to like and share this video with someone you care about.